A journey to learn English. Alex woke up early on a sunny morning, feeling excited about the day ahead. Today was special because Alex planned to visit the market. The market was always busy, filled with people and colorful stalls. Alex loved the atmosphere and the chance to practice English. After getting ready, Alex had a simple breakfast of toast and juice. The toast was crispy, and the juice was sweet, giving Alex the energy needed for the day. Once finished, Alex put on comfortable shoes and grabbed a bag before heading out the door. Walking to the market, Alex noticed the beautiful flowers blooming along the sidewalks. The scent of fresh flowers filled the air. Arriving at the market, Alex was greeted by the sounds of vendors calling out to customers and the chatter of people. The market was vibrant with many stalls selling fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Alex walked toward a fruit stand, drawn by the bright colors of the apples. The vendor smiled and greeted Alex, making it a great opportunity to practice English. Alex asked about the price of the apples and decided to buy a few. The vendor handed over the apples with a friendly smile, and Alex felt proud for using English. Next, Alex wandered over to a flower stall. The roses were stunning, their deep red petals glistening in the sunlight. Alex decided to buy a rose, appreciating its beauty. After making the purchase, Alex took a moment to enjoy the surroundings, listening to the laughter of children playing nearby. Continuing through the market, Alex observed people chatting, enjoying snacks, and shopping for groceries. It was a lively scene, and Alex felt happy to be a part of it. Learning English was a journey, and Alex was determined to practice every day. After exploring the market, Alex decided to head home. The bag was filled with fresh apples and a lovely rose. Walking back, Alex reflected on the day's experiences. Each interaction was a chance to learn new words and improve English skills. Once home, Alex took out a notebook to write down the new words learned at the market. Writing helped reinforce what was learned and made it easier to remember. Alex felt accomplished, knowing that practicing English was making a difference. Later that evening, Alex decided to watch a movie in English. This was another way to improve listening skills. The movie was entertaining, and Alex tried to understand the dialogue. It was challenging, but with each viewing, understanding improved. As the day came to an end, Alex felt content. The time spent at the market was enjoyable, and the effort put into learning English was paying off. Each day brought new opportunities to practice and grow. The next morning, Alex woke up early again, eager to meet a friend named John. They had planned to study together. Breakfast was simple, just cereal and milk, but it was enough to start the day. After getting ready, Alex walked to the bus stop, feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. When the bus arrived, Alex boarded and found a seat by the window. The scenery was beautiful, with trees lining the streets and people going about their day. Arriving at the cafe, Alex spotted John waiting at a table. They greeted each other with smiles and sat down to talk about their studies. John shared thoughts about learning English, and Alex felt encouraged. They discussed their goals and the importance of practicing together. After finishing their drinks, they decided to walk to a nearby park. The park was large and green, with many people enjoying the sunny day. Alex and John found a quiet bench to sit on and continued their conversation in English. They helped each other with new words, encouraging one another to improve. After some time, they walked around the park, admiring the flowers and taking pictures. Alex loved the colorful blooms, and John snapped a photo of a beautiful rose. They discussed their dreams for the future, sharing aspirations of studying and traveling. As the afternoon wore on, it was time to say goodbye. Alex walked home, feeling grateful for the time spent with John. Each conversation was a chance to practice speaking and learning new words. Once home, Alex reflected on the day. Writing down new words was becoming a routine, helping reinforce what was learned. After some time, Alex decided to watch another movie in English, trying to focus on the dialogue and context. The following day, Alex woke up to another beautiful morning, feeling eager to visit a museum. Museums were places of knowledge, and Alex loved exploring new exhibits. After breakfast, Alex took the bus to the museum, excited about what was to come. Upon arrival, Alex met John at the entrance. Together, they explored the various rooms filled with art and history. They admired vibrant paintings and ancient sculptures, discussing their favorites and what they learned. After a while, they decided to take a break and have lunch at the museum cafe. Over sandwiches and salads, they talked about their families and their experiences in English. The conversations flowed naturally, making it easier to practice. After lunch, they continued exploring the museum. Each exhibit sparked interesting discussions and provided a chance to learn new vocabulary. Alex felt happy to be learning in such an engaging environment. As they left the museum, Alex reflected on the day. It was filled with learning, laughter, and friendship. Each outing was a step closer to fluency in English. The next day, Alex woke up feeling excited about visiting a friend named Maria. She was from Spain, and they often practiced English together. After a quick breakfast, Alex walked to the bus stop, ready for another day of learning. When Alex arrived at Maria's house, she welcomed Alex inside. They spent some time talking about their studies and how they were improving. Maria suggested they go to the park, and Alex eagerly agreed. In the park, they found a nice bench to sit on and continued their conversation. They shared tips on studying and how to learn new vocabulary. The flowers were beautiful, and they enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere. After a while, they decided to take a walk around the park, enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. They spotted various birds and talked about their favorite animals. The time spent together was both fun and educational. As the day ended, Alex thanked Maria for a lovely day. Each outing with friends made learning more enjoyable. The following day, Alex woke up early again, ready for another adventure. This time, the plan was to visit a library. Alex loved reading and was eager to find books that could help improve English skills. After breakfast, Alex took the bus to the library. The building was large and inviting, filled with the promise of knowledge. Inside, Alex was amazed by the number of books available. After asking the librarian for help, Alex found a selection of books for learning English. One book caught Alex's attention, titled Easy English Stories. It seemed perfect for practicing reading and understanding. Sitting at a table by the window, Alex began reading the stories. They were simple yet enjoyable, making it easy to follow along. Alex wrote down new words to remember them better. After a while, Alex took a break and enjoyed a cup of tea in the library cafe. Reflecting on the day, Alex felt proud of the progress made in learning English. As the day ended, Alex returned home, excited to share the new words learned. Writing them down helped reinforce the lessons. Each day brought new opportunities to practice speaking, listening, and reading. With each passing day, Alex felt more confident in using English. The journey was challenging, but it was rewarding. Every interaction, every new word learned, brought Alex closer to fluency. The next morning, Alex woke up with a sense of purpose. Today was another chance to practice and learn. After breakfast, Alex decided to visit the market again. Each visit was a new opportunity to speak with different people. Arriving at the market, Alex felt a sense of familiarity. The vibrant colors and lively atmosphere were welcoming. Walking through the stalls, Alex greeted vendors and practiced asking about prices. After purchasing fresh fruits and vegetables, Alex took a moment to appreciate the experience. Each conversation was a stepping stone toward becoming more fluent in English. Later that day, Alex sat down with a notebook to write about the market experience. Writing helped solidify the new words learned and reflect on the progress made. As the sun began to set, Alex watched a short video in English. This was another way to practice listening and comprehension. Each day was filled with opportunities to improve, and Alex was determined to make the most of them. With a sense of accomplishment, Alex went to bed that night. The journey of learning English was far from over, but each day brought new lessons and experiences. Tomorrow would be another chance to grow and learn.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.